Sophie Rain called Drake easy after revealing that he slid into her DMs after to fly her out to Bahamas on a private jet for a fun time together. She fumbled after ghosting him for 4 months. Drake's been named by his Instagram. So how do Sophie Rain and Drake compare in their work 2011 to 2026? Back in 2011, Drake was already a huge star on his ATM, while Sophie was just a kid with no
Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Break down. Only alone I will cry out now.
She
You'll
went from
never
almost
see
nothing to
what's
70
hiding
in just a few years.
hiding out deep down.
Drake is still way ahead with 400 M, but Sophie's rise is one of the fastest we've ever seen. What do you think about this wild comparison? Drop a comment below.
I'm too afraid now.